How can words and thoughts influence reality? It sounds almost too simple to be true, but the practice of using positive affirmations to manifest goals taps into deep psychological processes. In this video, we'll explore how positive affirmations and visualization can shape your mindset, transform your behaviors, and ultimately help you achieve your desired outcomes. Over the next few minutes, we will look into the science and strategy behind this practice, providing you with actionable steps to begin applying these techniques in your life today. Positive affirmations are short, powerful statements used to consciously influence your thoughts. By repeatedly verbalizing or thinking these affirmations, you can start to change the patterns of your mind and establish a new positive landscape on which your psyche can build. Affirmations are rooted in the belief that your subconscious mind plays a significant role in shaping your reality, influencing everything from your behavior to your interactions with others. The effectiveness of affirmations can be traced back to their impact on the brain. Neuroscientific research suggests that the words we speak and think can stimulate the brain's reward mechanisms, release endorphins, and rewire neural pathways. This means that when you practice affirmations, you are fundamentally transforming the structure of your brain to be more aligned with your desires and goals. To truly understand how affirmations work, consider the nature of your self-talk. Is it encouraging and supportive, or do you find yourself caught in patterns of self-doubt and criticism? Positive affirmations are designed to combat negative thought patterns by reinforcing self-belief and confidence. They operate under the principle that what you focus on grows. So if you consistently affirm your strengths and abilities, you are more likely to act in ways that affirm those convictions. Visualization is the process of creating a mental image of a future event. It involves seeing yourself achieving your goals and experiencing the emotions associated with that success. This practice goes hand in hand with affirmations because it engages your brain on multiple levels. Visualizing your goals helps to reinforce the positive messages of your affirmations by embedding them within the rich contextual framework of your senses and emotions. The power of visualization lies in its ability to influence the subconscious mind by activating the same neural networks that are used when you actually perform the activity. This phenomenon is sometimes called the mental rehearsal, and it's a technique commonly used by athletes, performers, and successful business people. They visualize themselves winning the race, acing the performance, or sealing the deal to prime their minds and bodies for actual success. Combining affirmations with visualization creates a synergy that enhances the effectiveness of both practices. While affirmations prepare your mind and set the tone for positive thinking, visualization gives depth and clarity to your goals, making them feel attainable and real. This dual approach not only motivates you, but also aligns your cognitive resources with your objectives, making you more likely to recognize opportunities and take the actions necessary to achieve your goals. While we continue this exploration, remember that the goal of using affirmations and visualization isn't just about achieving external success. It's about creating a mental environment where success is possible and likely. When you begin with affirmations, it is crucial to have clearly defined goals. Setting specific and achievable goals is the cornerstone of effective visualization and affirmation practices. A well-defined goal provides a clear direction for your affirmations and helps focus your visualization efforts. Think of your goal as a target. The more defined it is, the easier it is to hit. Begin by identifying what you truly want to achieve. Ask yourself what is most important to your personal or professional life. These goals could range from improving health, advancing in your career, or enhancing personal relationships. And once you have a broad idea, refine it. Instead of saying, I want to be successful, specify what success looks like to you. Does it mean getting a promotion, increasing your earnings, or achieving work-life balance? The clarity of your goal amplifies the impact of your affirmations and the power of your visualizations. After defining your goals, write them down. Documenting your goals not only commits them to memory, but also starts the process of bringing them into reality. Use positive, affirmative language that resonates with your vision of the future. This written record will be a constant reminder of your path and will help maintain focus on your objectives. With your goals clearly set, you can begin crafting affirmations that align with those objectives. Effective affirmations are positive in the present tense and stated as if they are already true. This method tricks your brain into believing that the desired situation is currently real, which encourages deeper belief and commitment. To craft your affirmations, start by focusing on the positive outcomes you envision from your goals. For instance, if your goal is to improve your health, your affirmation could be, I am enjoying a healthy and energetic body. Such statements reinforce your mental and emotional commitment to achieving your goals and lay the groundwork for the actions that will lead to success. Keep your affirmations short, clear, and powerful. Complexity can dilute the message and make it harder for your mind to fully accept the idea. Repeat these affirmations daily, preferably in the morning and at night before you sleep. This repetition embeds the affirmations deep within your subconscious, helping to shift your mindset and boost your confidence. It is also beneficial to practice your affirmations in a quiet space where you can focus without interruptions. This practice helps you internalize the positive statements and strengthens their impact on your subconscious mind. By affirming your goals regularly, you are essentially paving the neural pathways that will lead you to take the actions necessary to achieve those goals. Establishing a routine for visualization is a powerful step in reinforcing the affirmations you've set and bringing your goals closer to reality. Visualization is not just about seeing an image in your mind. It's about fully immersing yourself in the feeling of achieving your goals. And this practice helps condition your mind and body to act in ways that align with your objectives. To begin creating your visualization routine, select a specific time and place each day to practice. Consistency is key. Many find that early morning or late evening are times when the mind is more receptive to suggestive thoughts. Choose a quiet spot where you will not be disturbed, ensuring you can relax without interruptions. Start your visualization by taking several deep breaths to center your focus and calm your mind. Then, vividly imagine achieving your goals. Imagine the scene as detailed as possible. What are you wearing? Who is around? What are the sounds? And how do you feel? Engage all your senses to make the experience as real as possible. The more detailed your visualization, the stronger the imprint on your subconscious mind. During this practice, use the affirmations you've crafted to guide your visualization. For instance, if your goal is to feel more confident in professional settings, you might visualize yourself speaking at a meeting with confidence and clarity while repeating the affirmation, I am confident and articulate in my communications. This combination of visualization and affirmation reinforces your goal and the belief in your ability to achieve it. While affirmations and visualization prepare the mental ground, real change happens through action. To effectively manifest your goals, your actions must align with the mental images and affirmations you've been practicing. This means creating habits and taking steps that support your goals, turning your visualized scenarios into tangible results. Begin by identifying small, actionable steps that move you towards your goal. If your aim is to enhance your physical health, your actions might include scheduling regular workouts, preparing healthy meals, or setting a bedtime routine for adequate sleep. Each action should support the affirmations and visualizations you've set around your health. While you implement these actions, continue to use your affirmations. Repeat them as you engage in the activities that contribute to your goals. This repetition not only strengthens your mental resolve, but also keeps you focused and aligned with your objectives throughout the day. The consistency of affirming while acting creates a powerful synergy that propels you towards your goals. While you integrate affirmations and visualization into your daily routines, encountering mental blocks or limiting beliefs is common. These are often deep-seated thoughts that contradict your affirmations and can stall your progress. Recognizing and overcoming these barriers is crucial for maintaining the momentum towards achieving your goals. Begin by identifying thoughts that counteract your positive affirmations. Common mental blocks include beliefs like, I am not good enough, I don't deserve success, or it's too difficult. Awareness is the first step to change. Once you recognize these negative patterns, you can address them directly through targeted affirmations. For instance, counter I am not good enough with I am capable and skilled. In Dao, Bao and to effectively dismantle these limiting beliefs, incorporate mindfulness or meditation into your routine. These practices help you observe your thoughts objectively, reducing the emotional charge behind negative patterns and making room for positive, reaffirming thoughts. Regular meditation enhances your ability to stay focused on your affirmations and keeps you mentally aligned with your goals. Tracking your progress is an essential part of the affirmation and visualization process. It helps you see how far you have come and whether you need to adjust your strategies. Set up regular intervals, weekly or monthly, to review your achievements and reflect on your experiences. This assessment isn't just about tallying successes, it's also about understanding your journey and learning from the process. And to effectively measure your progress, keep a journal of your daily affirmations, actions, and the outcomes. Note any changes in your mindset, emotions, and behaviors. Are you feeling more confident? Have your habits shifted in a way that supports your goals? This record will provide tangible evidence of your transformation and encourage you to continue. If you find that progress is slower than expected, consider adjusting your affirmations or actions. This is a normal part of the process, and refining your approach can help accelerate your progress. Stay flexible and patient. Manifestation is a dynamic process that adapts as you grow and evolve. While you progress in your journey of self-improvement through affirmations and visualization, it's essential to stay vigilant about the effectiveness of your methods. Sometimes, despite your best efforts, certain affirmations or visualizations might not resonate as powerfully as they once did, or your goals might evolve. This necessitates adjustments to ensure that your practices continue to support your growth effectively. Start by revisiting the goals and affirmations you set initially. Reflect on whether they still align with what you truly want to achieve. As you grow and learn more about yourself and your aspirations, it's natural for your objectives to shift. Adjust your affirmations to mirror these new goals, ensuring they remain relevant and motivating. Similarly, update your visualization scenarios to reflect any new outcomes you are working towards, keeping them as vivid and detailed as possible. Consider the feedback you've gathered from measuring your progress. If certain areas are lacking, think about what changes could be made to enhance your practice. This might mean altering the time you dedicate to visualization, the setting, or even the affirmations wording. Small tweaks can often lead to significant results by reigniting your motivation and refocusing your mental energy. Maintaining the gains you've made through affirmations and visualization requires a commitment to continuous practice and self-reflection. To ensure long-term success, integrate these practices into your daily routine in a way that feels natural and sustainable. This integration helps to solidify the habits and mindsets that support your goals, making success not just an achievement, but a standard part of your life. Create a ritual around your affirmations and visualization practices. This could be as simple as dedicating a few moments each morning or evening to reaffirm your goals and visualize your success. Making this a regular part of your day ensures that it becomes ingrained in your lifestyle, much like brushing your teeth or preparing a meal. Keep yourself inspired by regularly updating your goals and practices to reflect your growing aspirations. While you achieve your goals, set new ones that challenge you and expand your potential. Continue to use affirmations and visualization not just as tools for reaching specific objectives, but as ongoing methods for personal development and self-empowerment. While we wrap up this journey on utilizing positive affirmations and visualization to manifest your goals, remember that the power to change your life lies within your thoughts and actions. By consistently applying the practices we've discussed, you are setting the foundation for a life that not only meets but exceeds your expectations. If you found value in this video and believe it can help others transform their lives, please consider sharing it with friends and family who might also benefit. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, as it helps more people find our content. If you're not already subscribed to our channel, please hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest videos. Your engagement helps us grow and continue providing valuable content. Thank you for watching, and remember, your journey towards a better life is just an affirmation away.